Lara Himes is with me now. Lara, we are being told to brace for this east coast low.
Well, Kirsten, this system is about to intensify. This is the radar at the moment, and it does show this system moving south, but the winds are moving east. So this is likely to bring damaging wind gusts of more than 90 kilometres per hour, and the system will bring intense rainfall, and we could see more than 200 millimetres of rain. Now, that means there are major flood warnings in place, especially for the Nepean and Hawkesbury areas. Powerful surf conditions too, with waves up to 6 metres. The Bureau has also put out a road weather alert for Sydney, and I'll have more later in the bulletin, Kirsten.
Thanks, Lara. To the weather with Lara Himes. And Lara, this east coast low is well upon us.
And conditions are going to get worse, Kirsten. It is a slow-moving system, so we are in for a long night. We got to a top of 23 degrees, cloudy conditions and showers throughout. Wet conditions, though, through a lot of the state, but warm overnight lows. Temperatures were above the average. We did have cooler maximums, though. Tonight, aside from the areas impacted directly by the east coast low, we have severe thunderstorms all throughout the interior, also parts of the slopes and the tablelands. On the satellite, there is heavy cloud in the north of WA as ex-tropical cyclone Annika intensifies, and heavy rainfall too for Queensland. There are severe thunderstorm warnings for the southeast and also into Wide Bay. Looking to the capital cities, wet down the south coast, hot in central parts and fine in the west. We had another big day of falls. Macquarie Pass near Albion Park recorded 161 millimetres overnight, but that rainfall will increase as this system moves inward. The 6-hourly totals could exceed 200 millimetres, and we've already seen areas like Richmond and Badger East Creek record more than 60 millimetres since midday. Tomorrow, though, throughout the northern parts, showers and storms with damaging winds and large hail possible, and that may lead to flash flooding. On the waters, 35 knot seas at 3 metres. Further south, showers and the chance of a storm with heavy falls, and those winds could be getting up to 40 kilometres per hour. On the waters, winds up to 35 knots and seas at 4 metres, although the Bureau does say that waves could reach 5 metres. Across the interior tomorrow, we're likely to have showers in the north with the chance of a storm. On Sydney waters, winds at 35 knots and seas at 4 metres. There is, though, a warning for hazardous surf conditions right down the entire New South Wales coastline, and there is a warning for high tides and coastal erosion. Now, again, we'll have widespread showers tomorrow, and the Bureau expects between 120 and 150 millimetres across the Sydney Basin. In the temperatures, 25 in the city, 24 in the west. And looking ahead, wet weather to continue, but it should ease by tomorrow.
Thanks, Lara. 7:30 is next.